There's a lot of bees around here. I looked up and was like, oh my god, I mean, look at it around here.
God.
Look at it here. Come around here, you can see it goes right up over the branch. That's just a giant ball of bees.
Oh my goodness. It's like living in a jungle.
Amazing, isn't it?
Oh my gosh, it gets Finian.
So I get Finian, because you'd like to see it.
Yeah, Finian would like to see that. Oh my goodness. Never seen that before. Ever. This is in our apple tree, in our driveway. Oh my goodness, how exciting is that? I want to be watching that all afternoon now.
That you just did.
Yeah, but I wasn't videoing until I'd finished my sentence. Trying to get Wink not to swear on this video. It's certainly a hive of activity.
Can Finny come around this side?
The sun will be in your eyes, I can't film from that side.
You can see it better here.
Oh,
And it's on the shade. Come around where I'm standing.
I must stop looking.
definitely
Not
Oh
filming.
yeah. You can stay here. You can really see it. Look, it's right
Kind of
over the branch.
Flat on the back.
Do you think? Do you
And
remember
it goes
if there
around
being
the
anything there
branch.
before? Or is that completely new?
No, that's
'Cause there
just
might-
like that. The queen will be inside there. It's a beehive on the move, basically.
I think they might be swarming then,
Yeah.
setting up a new hive.
Oh, it's so hard to see when the sun's in your eyes. And even filming it.
This seems to be a good spot, but I don't know what it'll be like on the camera.
Yeah, I didn't come around this far before. Oh gosh, yes, it's good from this side.
You can just about get to a place where the sun's not being a problem.
Gosh,
That's amazing.
that's just bees holding on to bees, basically.
Yeah.
And if you see them, you just
No.
leave them because they're finding a
If
new
you
spot.
see there,
Yeah.
that bird's nest, there's a chance there was a bird's nest under where the bees are.
It won't focus on the actual bees.
No.
It's really annoying. Well, that one sort of has. They look like wood chip.
Have you tried tapping on the bees?
Yeah.
Did you tap? Did you touch it?
No, with my phone.
Oh right.
Yeah, I've got up there and give it a good prodding, darling.
Wow,
So
that's
it's just gonna be
new. We
sticking
may
up
have a
and down,
new
yeah, so
beehive
best
there.
to-
That'll be cool.
They won't make a beehive there. They'll fly off and find a beehive.
Yeah.
They're on their way to somewhere else.
Yeah. What they do is they swarm and they all gather, and then people called bees
Mm.
forage about to find a new site, and then they transfer information, and so they'll be surrounding the queen.
The
now.
queen will be in the middle of that.
Gosh,
and
I've
then the
never
pigtail.
in my whole 56 years seen that.
Neither have I.
Well spotted,
From
darling.
my
Well spotted.
Well, I couldn't really miss
Limited
it. I
knowledge
was like,
of
it's a lot of
how
buzzing.
beehives work from a beekeeper. I seem
Yeah.
to remember hearing that.
If you were to catch that now, because they get a big sack, don't they? They smoke them and then they get a big sack and just knock the thing into a big sack.
And they get all the bees in it.
And they get all the bees in it and then
don't
they
let
take
you
it
hang
and
them.
you can release it in where you've got
Gosh,
beehives
how
and stuff.
fascinating is that?
I mean, I wouldn't think it'd be wise to put a hive there, but
No.
there is.
They won't
They
stay
won't.
there. I bet the pigeons aren't happy.
I wonder how long it's been there.
Oh yeah.
Wonder how long it's been there.
Well, I don't know. It wasn't there yesterday.
Right, so it is very temporary because there are so many bees on our honeysuckle. But
They're proper honeybees.
Well,
they are proper honeybees.
What
doing
distinguishes
so.
them from these bees?
They're
Well,
bumblebees on our thing.
No, there
no,
are
we've
there
got
are all
multiple
sorts,
kinds of bees.
multiple types.
Well, they
of
might, yeah,
honey.
probably some of these bees as well, but maybe not from this hive. This
Look
is a
at them.
travelling hive, so they
See,
were
they-
swarmed in a big thing, and then they're gathered here, and they'll hang out here for a day, and then they'll
is
move
there
on.
such a thing as a permanently on the move hive?
No,
they'll
but
find it.
when there's
Because
too
they have to
many
make
and
their
they
thing
need
with
to
all the-
split the hive, they
Well,
make a
when-
new queen.
To make a new
And then-
thing, they swarm.
Yeah, this is
A
a swarm.
queen, I think the queen leaves while there's queen larvae, and the first queen larvae that hatches eats the other queen larvae out of the pods.
Right.
Meanwhile, the one that went off starts a new hive with about half the workers from the
Okay.
old one.
Cool.
Thick though, isn't
And
it?
that could well be.
I mean, there's not millions of bees there. That's not. That's
Well, if
a
that's
small-
one
solid
of those.
bees, there's hundreds in
There's
that
hundreds.
big pod.
Yeah.
That's like
I
that would
think.
fill a bucket, wouldn't it, if you were to fill that?
Yeah, I don't.
Oh, right on the top of it, you can see. Without the sun, I've got
I
the sun
think that
through.
may be a
Is it?
nest for like birds. That
Yeah,
they've
that
built
could be the
over.
pigeon's
That's
nest.
pigeons live there.
I think it could be the pigeon's
That could be an
nest.
old one or a different one
No,
that
they're
they
living there because
Cool.
there's
built
shit all
over.
over my shed and everything there. They're definitely active.
Well, given the shape of that and given the other nests, there is a non-zero chance that that is.
Oh.
Oh, motorbike tire.
There's a non-zero chance that that's
Bees.
built on a beehive.
Can I have your name, please?
Won't be built on a beehive because we
Not on a bee, on a
on a branch. Yeah, they've built.
on a
They're
bird's
hanging.
nest.
Could
Or
have
like the
been,
remainder
but
of
that's
it.
not a very good place for a nest because it's right on the outer
No,
branches.
it's not.
Yeah.
But it's not like bees haven't done a thing before.
Constant activity. How exciting! We'll have to keep filming this through the day. See what's happening.
My tentative knowledge of bees,
Well, you know, a lot more
I
than
would
I do.
suggest that might be.
They'll be gone when they're gone. They'll just all swarm off probably, all in a oneer.
Yeah,
Make a
again,
lovely trail
very
in the
limited
sky.
knowledge of bees. I think they might be trying to make a new hive there.
Yeah. No, they won't make a hive there.